Right, this is a new series of videos. It's called I Don't Know What the Fuck I'm Doing. So this was originally live and positive negative. That was original positive negative. We cut them there. So it'd go into there, which probably was working because I saw there's this coming out of here. Now, nobody knows where this would have went. But I'm thinking to myself, because I do a lot of thinking, I'm thinking to myself, this was another switch. A kill switch, maybe. What do you think about that, then? I'm going to do stupid things, like I usually do. So I'm thinking to myself, quietly, so that goes down there, you see, which is Earth, right? So we ignore Earth, no fucker wants Earth. So that's Earth, cut Earth off, get rid of it. It's time I learned how to do something or other in my life. It's time I learned to do something, because apparently I'm a dull donut. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to join these two together. So if that was a kill switch, it has now formed a loop-de-loop to go back there. Now, making sure this is not plugged in, I'm now going to, I think red was live, wasn't it? It'll do. Was that right? That's going to there though. I'm sure that's neutral because it goes, I wouldn't want to put a live up into there, would I? So let's say blue is live, which is blue is brown, right? And let's say red is, that's not red, is it? It's like a browny colour. So let's say that's negative. So if that's right there now, and we formed a circuit, this thing does move. So what I'm hoping to do is switch it on, girl. So if I shut this off over here, like that, that's all, it's all dead in here now. And then we shove that into there, and then that means I can stand over there when it bangs. Ready? Wow, that was great, wasn't it? There's a good fuse in there because it's called silver paper, which is right-ish, maybe. I don't fucking know. So the lights are off, so it means the electric's off. Let's try that for size. That comes up there, that comes down there. So that would form a loop which would send live. No. That's joining them two together then. So that's definitely not happening, I don't think. That goes down there, which goes down in the motor, so I don't see what the fuck you want that for anyway, so get rid of that. Iron filings are everywhere, man, so you know that should work. You know, it should make a noise at least. So it's not going to go around, is it? And I don't see why, because in my eyes it fucking should. That's deader than a few people I know. So we either got no live there. Oh girl. Well, I was getting a buzz. So I don't think it's fucking gonna work. Like that goes down a motor, that goes down a motor, that goes down a motor. So you know what we've done? We haven't touched nothing really. All we've done is done away. So blue coming in goes straight down the motor, red coming in goes straight down the motor, but via the alternator, this capacitor, then that goes back in, which then goes down into the motor, which is 3 wires going down to motor. So I can personally say I think this motor is fucking no good. See, they used to have these screwdrivers, you could stick that in there and say yes, that's live, but the end's missing. So what we want is a screwdriver I can just put my finger on and test if it's live. Wait there a minute, my lights are not coming on over there.
All right, I apologise. I'm really, really sorry. I apologise.
I blew a fucking fuse. I blew a fuse, didn't I? We got them millisecond fuses. You saying blue is blue or red is fucking brown? Blue, blue, brown, red? Back in the day, red used to be live, didn't it? I'm not saying this motor's that old, but it's red, so that's where it's going. Right there. No, that goes to there, so there's no way you're going to send a live up into there. I think you send a neutral up into there. The capacitor. Check the lights out, which, yeah, plug that in. And see if that red light comes on there, then at least you know there's power. Well, I'll be a son of a gun. Sounds like a nice motor as well. What we're hoping for, I'm going to make a mechanical hammer, but not like the coin making machine. That I want this to go a vibrating hammer. So I reckon this would be a lovely engine for that. I'm going to try and rewire that switch back as it was and put it all back together. Thank you, Willow. Thank you, Willow. And thank you, Jason, for introducing me to Willow. Because Willow is yet another man that rather friends. Bear with me one more time. I'm happy now. See, you can tell the look on my face. Get the 2 wire you were playing with. Actually 3 wires, not 2. Make sure that's not plugged in, which is not. Wait there, wait there. You gotta go through there first. Yes, we should be able to plug that in there. That's a nice, very nice, pretty little motor. Don't say what horse it is. It's a power craft, so it says 3000 RPM. Well, if I can get an hammer to rattle at 3000 RPM, we'd be on a winner, wouldn't we? But let's just make sure it still works, because I've just altered everything. Now on this, on the mechanical hammer I'm going to make, it's not going to be an hammer, but it's going to be, I want that to do that lot. There'll be springs on here pulling the hammer down, and there'll be a thing on here pushing the hammer up, so it will be bobbing like that. So we're open for that, and maybe that much with an hammer motion on it. Wah, wah. So I'm debating. Boy, do I do some debating. Like a hater. Oh no, that's masturbating. I want that to do that. So it's quite easy. It's quite easy. You got to fit a kaleidoscope worm type design, which will drop, or an oval which would drop twice. So I want to do it out of wood first, just to see what sort of vibration, you know, if this is there hinged. Doing that. So if I had something like that and screw that into there, which is going to hit that flat spot, which is going to lock that on, my brain's telling me that was going to be hot, so I didn't touch it, you see. So we can have something like that, you know, I could round that off slightly. That would probably be something that big, you know what I mean, once we get and running. So let me aim it that way again. and see what that'll do. So what we're going to make is that out of steel and just machine it so it's got a high point. So when it comes around, it jumps over the high point, which then gives you your slam. And I think that's going to be quite an easy build. So that's as far as I'm going to show you, because I'm going to get on with it. Get on with it. Well, I'm going to do it out of wood first to make sure everything's okie dokie.
I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3. Give a like.